What is up, you guys? My name is Tricia and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from today's thumbnail, I am attempting stitch braids today. We're doing a stitch braid feed-in ponytail today, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this super cute look, make sure to keep watching. Okay, so it is clearly out with the old, in with the new. This style has had its day, okay? So we are taking this down. We're going to go ahead and wash our hair and get it all dried so we can start fresh. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. I deeply apologize. I realized I was not recording when I did the first braid, but as you can see, I accomplished a stitch braid. I do not do stitch braids simply because I feel like I'm intimidated by them, but your girl got it done. So I am going just right now just doing a straight braid just to put some space in between the stitch braids. And as you can see, I did a little heart on the side. I did purchase these little metal nail things from Amazon. I'll link those down below. They made it so much more easier to accomplish this style. So yeah. And actually, when I got to this stitch braid, which was actually the second one for the style, I was much more comfortable with it. I actually like stitch braids now, so I'm going to attempt them again. But yeah, these little nail thingamajigs made it so much more easier. I really like them. And yeah, see, I can accomplish the style, so I will be doing them more often. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. And because I did not want her braids to be bulky trying to do these stitch braids, I actually fed in the hair at the end, so you'll see that at the end of the style. Okay, so moving on to the back, I am doing the little crisscross rubber band method for this part of her hair. And if you want to see how I do this in detail, I do have a video on my channel for this. I will try to link it down below, but just go ahead and check that video out. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. Okay, and finishing up both sides of the rubber band crisscross thingamajig, I am doing just additional stitch braids here, and then yeah, I did stitch braids with a straight braid in between each kind of design, per se, if that's what you want to call it. So yeah, I'm going to finish up the stitch braid and then we're going to finish off the style. My brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah. Okay, so as I said before, now I'm just going through and feeding in hair to each braid. I did want these to be kind of long, so her braids are much longer and they are a little bit thicker. But yeah, I just wanted this to look nice with the beads. So I'm just taking the hair and putting it all in the ponytail. And then I'm just going to take one braid and wrap it around just to give it a little detail to the ponytail, so it's not just laying so limp and it's just up there. It looks really cute. So just a quick tip, I do take a little thin piece of hair and wrap it around so that I don't have to put bobby pins in there, and also so that it's a little bit more secure. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so now that we're finishing up the style, y'all know how I do. Just adding my Nairobi foam. And of course, I do not do too much on the edges. Yeah, so we're just going to keep it real simple. Foam this up and use the little strips to tie it down, and then we're gonna finish up with the beads. But nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind.
this style turned out to be so freaking cute. I'm so happy I attempted to do these stitch braids with this ponytail because it is bomb, y'all. I got so many compliments on it. I absolutely loved it. And then with the beads too, it just added a little bit more flair. I did go ahead and make a, I guess you can call it a ponytail holder, scrunchie type thing with the beads and a little elastic, gold elastic band. So just to give it a little extra detail and flair, but this is what she looking like, y'all. It was so cute. She loved it. I loved it. Everybody loved it. So yeah, just finishing this up. And if you made it to the end of this video, girl, let me know if you tried this, okay? Make sure you let me know if you tried this. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we are done. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking